Today we gonna make red peas with chicken feet and pumpkin. So yes guys, your main ingredients, we're gonna add cock soup, Grace cock soup. We're gonna add the Maggi chicken noodle mix. We're gonna add our classic coconut Grace cream coconut, and we're gonna add another coconut milk right here. Ginger or garlic. Yes guys, you can see here the peas, spring onion and thyme right here. Our red peas start cooking already, so we're gonna add the chicken feet just now. Yes guys, so we're gonna add the chicken feet. So we already have the red peas in, some scallion, thyme, onion. Yes guys, and we're using a pressure cooker to cook it very quickly, so we had that for now. Now we're cleaning out the pumpkin, the inside of the pumpkin, as you can see. And now I'm gonna show you a way how we can peel the pumpkin skin. We don't have to peel this pumpkin skin guys, but this is my way of peeling the pumpkin skin. So as you see, just use a knife like this. See, perfect. Alright guys, that's the way we peel the pumpkin, okay? The Irish potato, see? Yes, right here. That's the Irish potato. Washing off everything. So look over here in this bowl. Over here in this bowl, guys, we have carrots. We have the pumpkin. We have the chocho. We call it in Jamaica. I don't know what you guys call it here. So we have everything to go, guys, and all this gonna go into the pot. Yes, guys, all of this is going to go into the pot. Make a nice healthy soup. Gonna put this all into the pot, guys. Yeah, this is the carrot, the pumpkin, the chocho, and I put one little green banana inside. Gonna put all of that in it, guys. Look at that. Look at the color. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this inside the pot right now. I'm gonna put this inside right now, guys, to let that kind of pre-season the pot, guys. I'm gonna put off of this into the pot as well. See, this is off. Yes guys, look at all, looking very lovely, right? Chicken feet with red peas and pumpkin, looking beautiful, guys. So yes guys, just put a green pepper inside. So guys, what I'm gonna do, put the coconut milk inside as well. Put one of the Maggi chicken noodle inside. So I'm gonna cover it down now, guys, and let it cook for an hour and a half. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cover it down, let it cook an hour and a half to 2 hours. Okay, by that time it's supposed to be cooked. Everything's supposed to be cooked. Then I'm gonna show you what to do at the end of it. Okay guys, all right, see you. Yes guys, so I'm kneading the dumpling. In Jamaica we call it a spinach. Yeah man, spinach. Flour dumpling we're making here, guys. I'm making like a cup of flour. We're gonna knead it, make a nice dough. Yeah. To put in the pot later on. Right now it's pressure cooking on the stove right now. Ready, stop. Yeah. Yes guys, see, making a beautiful dough to put later on. So later on you will see. Yes guys, you're making some spinach. Yeah, I'm gonna chop some hot pepper in it too. Some fresh spring onion, scallion, some thyme. Yes guys, so this is just the finishing touch right here. Yep. Yes guys, so we just put this in. See, the Maggi chicken noodle, and we also put this into cock soup mix, spicy. This is from Grace. Yes guys, so look at the soup, look at it, looking lovely guys. Look at that green pepper on top. Yes guys, looking lovely. So we're gonna make it boil for like next 15 minutes and turn it off, then it's ready. Look at those chicken feet. This guy's looking lovely. Yes guys, look at that flame. Look at that color. See that guys? Almost done. Just give it a minute or two. That's it. Yes, guys, so that's red peas with chicken feet and pumpkin soup. Jamaican style, yadi yadi, American, Caribbean. Look. Yes, guys, look at that. It's just finished. So here, looking very lovely, guys. Delicious red pea soup with chicken feet. Yes, guys, that's a finished product. Check it out. Looking lovely, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.